Mr. Governor Eziokwu Melo today, I'm not yesterday, but not live broadcast about Akwa Okuko and his opinion. And then in that video, on Akwa Okuko, ekumeku ahụ na-egburu anụ kedu ebe ọ nọ taa. Ọ na-ajụ Akwa Okuko ọcha ọ na-eye anụ every day ọ na-egburu efi kedu ebe ọ nọ today. And that brings me to the conclusion that it just maybe because he is not a traditionalist, he is ignorant of the love of Chukwu Okuke. I'm Mr. Governor Eziokwu and all. I want to use English even though I'm not educated so that a lot of people can understand and benefit from what I am saying today because it is verifiable. All right. The love of Chukwu Okuke is one. The love of Chukwu Okuke is one. And the law of Chukwu Okuke is one. The love of Chukwu Okuke is not a respecter of persons. Ain't nobody on earth, born of a man, born of a woman, ain't no animal on earth that will say Chukwu loves me more than others. Ain't no monopoly of Chukwu. I don't want to call him God. All right? No one should therefore claim monopoly of Chukwu, for the love is one and the law is one. What I am saying now is that whether you are a Christian, whether you are a Muslim, whether you are a traditionalist, whether you are Hindi, whether you are under Buddha, that the love of Chukwu Okuke, will meet you irrespective of your religion and it come true for you. Do you understand? So in a clear terms, I want to answer his question. When he say, where are his juju today? It has always failed him. The worst he ever did in that video was making Bible reference to the Bible. No, you don't refer us to non-existing entities. You refer us to your village, which you did, and that's fine. That is verifiable. It's also in every village, all right? That today, will I claim monopoly of the gods and not be punished? Today, will somebody like me claim monopoly of the gods and not be punished? No, I will be punished because Chukwu Okuke the fair in all he's doing. Hello, take note. Chukwu Okuke is fair in all. Any part of Chukwu Okuke that is unfair, and this is where reincarnation is justifiable. I am a bad person. I am a sinner. I am the one who snatches that which belongs to others. I am the one whom everybody wants, but I refuse to take notice, and then suddenly I died. You have not heard the end of me, even though I am dead now. For surely I must come back and reap what I sow. And that's how Chukwu Okuke knows that I have learnt a lesson. Using my life as an example. If I make women barren, come what may, I must experience that barrenness. Alone at this present incarnation, or men and next life. Whether I have 1 billion gods, I must experience it to an extent. Whether I am feeding 1 billion gods. And do you find people like that too in Christendom, whom you can liken to people whom God has failed? Ain't no God failing you nothing. The law and the love of Chukwu Okuke is one. He does not fail anybody. He only wants you to learn. And then let's talk about Akwa. When it was time for warning Akwa, I have been here since 2023. Since 2021. The first video I made about Akwa was 2021. I said, this is not the way. This is not the way. And by the time I was in Ebulia, immediately he came out. I made another message. So, when Akwa Okuko wants to save you, he sends you warning. What happened to Akwa is applicable in the church. It happens to pastors. When people tell you, do it better now. Do it better now. Repent. Take up another position. Give people a new face. You understand? When people begin to preach the truth to you and you fail to listen, what happened to Akwa can happen to anybody, irrespective of religion, irrespective of who is in my village, because the law and the love of God is one. The love of God is not a respecter of religion. It's not a respecter of whether this person is a Dibia. It is even worse for Dibias. Do you understand? So Akwa is not where he is today because his chief failed him. No, his chief be making plans. He's not the first person to enter wherever he is. And if he's going to come out, he's going to come out. If he's not going to come out, that is what he deserves from past life regressions. That is what he actually deserves, because we only take from life what we actually deserve. And then we can come back again. This time better. This time we are preaching peace. Because in our past life, we have preached war, we have fought war, we had no benefits. We only regret, we only cried, we only asked, give us another time. Let us go and experience life again. This time, let us do it better. Let us do it better. Mr. Governor Eziokwu, that is how you and I happened again. Because we made some mistakes and we are here to do it better. What I am trying to say is, no matter the church, no matter the denomination, no matter who you worship, come rain, come sunshine, you must reap whatever you sow. So when you are reaping what you sowed, you must reap it with joy and know that this is truly what you deserve. For if it wasn't what you deserve, a way would have been made. A way would have been paved. Where Akwa is right now is where he ought to be. Christians will tell you, if this one didn't happen, what would have happened? It's the same thing everywhere right now. He is where he ought to have been. God does not fail. Our chi does not fail. Just because our chi and your own just because who we believe in and your own is in the same identity doesn't mean this one has failed, this one has succeeded. It means that the law and the law and the love of Almighty is the same, and it is non-religious, it is non-denominational, it is non-tribal. It's not a respecter of tribalism. Do you understand? It is not a respecter of rank. It's not a respecter of wealth. It's not a respecter. It is simple, a law of give and take. That which you sow, that you must reap. Somehow. Under the canopy of God. After singing, you must reap what you sow. After giving your life to Christ, you must reap what you sow. That this alone can explain why both Christians and non-Christians and other religion are buying anyhow. This alone can explain why Christians, strong Christians, are in the jail today. There are lots of them. You understand? Since Jesus Christ did not fail them in the prison, it means that you can only take from life that which is truly yours. A lot of people were framed. They are Christians living an upright life. Just one call. Want to. They may be engineers, but right now they're in jail. They are serving. They can't understand. But they are in a waiting trial anyways. And they have been Christian their whole life. And they have been faithful their whole life. And we cannot ask Jesus Christ why. Because we understand that the law of Almighty Father is one, and the non-religious and non-denominational, and this is where that person ought to be. Maybe from past life regressions or from present life regressions. I believe with these few points of mine, I have been able to clarify to clarify your doubt in a very, very non-religious way. To remind you to the right again. When we are children, we be singing, if you do good kingdom, oh kingdom. If you do bad, no more kingdom. It's simple. If we put someone in jail, we are going to jail. If we break someone's leg, we are going to experience broken leg. If we cause someone cancer, we will experience cancer. If we cause fibroid, we will experience fibroid. If we kill, we will be killed. It is simple. No monopoly of the love of Chukwuoke. No monopoly. No favorite child. No favorite son. No favorite religion. Chukwuoke is not a religious person. Out of life, what we give from past life regressions, that is where we get clear picture and everything is explained to us, right? A lot of us are good right now. Otherwise, what? We have experienced what it meant to be bad before. Now we are trying. It is simple. The love and the law of Chukwuoke is one. Akwa Okuko is where he ought to be. If he was a Christian, that is also where he would be. Ain't nothing that explains where pastors are better. Some pastors are where he is right now, like Reverend King and the likes. All right? Okay? So, it can befall on anyone. It's not religious. The problem of Akwa is not a religious. It's not a religious issue. Thank you.